Oh, look how they got it set up right here. Uh-huh. Got some benches right here. Yep. They ain't set it up before Katrina. Uh-huh. We got some goals right here, a goal right here. Look here. Okay. Well, let's see. Let me back it up a bit. Lee Man Challenge Chargers. Hmm. Yes, indeed. Okay. Got a basketball court right here. Huh. Benches right here. Okay. This is my first time on this soccer field slash football field. You know, golly, they got new stuff here. And they putting trash under here already. Putting litter. You know. Glad I don't see no graffiti here. Okay. Let's go to the soccer slash football field. Okay. So as y'all see, there's a goal right here. All right. So I know I showed y'all from a far distance. Okay. So let's go over here. Somebody's sitting right there, but we're not gonna go near him, you know, because I don't want that guy telling me a damn thing. Okay. So over here, I can't believe I'm walking way out here. You know. So over here, does I guess if they really have football games and stuff right here, you know. Okay, so here's one of the bleachers right here. So somebody already put an orange peeler right here, as y'all see some nasty ass people. All right, let me look under here. An orange peeling. Okay, or should I say orange skin and stuff like that. I wish I would have came over here and filmed this part. Look at a bottle cap be left right here. Huh. Yes, indeed. You know. So some people don't appreciate nothing decent. You know. On the other one, and right here we got this is a soccer field slash football field. Anybody can come out here and play football. They go somebody over there. If you ever see that person playing basketball all by himself. Okay. And over here we got some excuse me. I'm so out of breath right now. I don't know why I'm out of breath. Okay, so some bleachers over here with the gates over here. Okay. So this is something you would see in a gym, you know. They got dirt and everything over here, you know. So giving y'all a tour for some of you that's not familiar with New Orleans, okay. So I sure hope y'all and there's some lights up there and a camera and stuff like that. So I wonder if they're gonna have a soccer game or a football game out here, you know. So next time I'm gonna use my better camera and come out here one morning and do that tour again with my live footage video. If the Wi-Fi works way out here, you know. All right. So I showed that person who asked me if I could play him or play him 1-on-1. Well, that's a him or her, I don't know. Or she's a he, I don't know. Okay, so, all right, so away I go.